You'll walk around the gardens here at Calon and you'll see lots and lots of installations, from the vegetable gardens to the pond to the orchard. It's been a beautiful project to be involved in. Really, the idea was that we could create a communal space which everybody can use. There's been all sorts happen here and everybody seemed to enjoy it. There's real opportunities moving forward for people to continue to come here. We're steadily building a volunteer team that visit here every Monday. They call it Monday on a Mission. They're people that are learning new skills. We've got people learning to use strimmers and maintain the land. I think one of the best things about this project is the collection of professionals that have got involved with it to help and support it. Yeah, it's a project that will continue to grow over the years. It's exciting.
We do litter picking at the start of the day because that gets our minds nice and worked. And then we do other things like planting trees or digging up compost, planting, like we did here, we planted seeds and that. I love it. It helps my mental health. I get to go out and breathe air instead of being locked up in my room like I normally do.
Yeah, just enjoy the company of my mates and all that, as you can see here.
The vegetable gardens were all installed last year, and really quickly we had a lady come and teach people how to grow veg. A gardening club started up, which was ace. We had the fire service filling the pond, which was a highlight of the day. The primary school had the polytunnel, so they're getting involved as well. It's a place where people can come together and share their interests and learn new skills.